Welcome to my channel. My name is Edith. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button so you can get more videos from me. Today I'm in Botswana, in Gaborone, and I'm taking my family out for late breakfast in Game City at Wimpy. From there we went for swimming, we went to Grand Bay to swim and have a picnic, relax and have some drinks. Grand Bay is a place, it's like a garden for entertainment where people go to relax. So we are there relaxed, and the children are swimming and they are having a good time. Also, they are playing. There's a playground for kids also to play, so you can bring your children and come and relax throughout the week. You can do that, but weekend is busy and nice, so you can just go and relax. You bring your own drinks, you bring your own food if you want, but you can still eat there because they prepare some food there. If you didn't bring anything, you can get food from them and relax and enjoy. So visit Grand Bay. Is just near, as you go to Mankodi from Boatle, along the road. You won't miss it. Go there to relax. It's a good place. It's a nice garden, good facilities.